Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. Please subscribe below if you have not already, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. So, I'm going to try out another product today. This is a leave-in conditioner. I know I've been on a leave-in conditioner kind of kick lately. I don't know what it is, but not even lately. Maybe my last year. I don't know. They've just been working well for me. Some of them, not all of them. But today I'm going to try a product that I got. It's under $10. I mean, I'm doing all these really inexpensive reviews, which I love, because if it's good and it works good for my hair and it's inexpensive, bonus, 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 right? So this is Not Your Mother's Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Leave-In Conditioner. I think someone asked me to try this a long time ago. I feel like it's been on there for quite a while. Okay, so helps to amplify softness and maximize smoothness. Awesome. So let's see. Inspired by a mother, created for you. Aw. Okay. This, a delicious blend of royal honey and Kalahari Desert Melon. I have to, you know what, the lighting, it's green on yellow, so it's kind of hard to read. Let me go on the website. Okay, so this is phthalate-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and dye-free. Royal honey repairs damage to hair surface and enhances its luster, while Kalahari Desert Melon regenerating properties increase hair's natural moisture. How did anybody ever find out, is what I want to know, that this Kalahari Desert Melon can do wonders for your hair. This is for all hair types, and this is cool because it has a spray nozzle. Oh no. I just realized that probably means it's really watery. I guess we're gonna find out right now. And just like last week, I'm going out again. Oh no. Oh, okay, just turn that little knob. I don't know where to... I just want to see what it is first. Okay. This is more on the watery side of a leave-in. I don't mind, it's just I'm going to be here forever because I have a lot of hair. Alright, let's just start getting into it. Honestly, I'm not finding this convenient. Oh, now it is, alright. It's kind of awkward. I'd rather put it in my hand and distribute it that way, personally. Like, this hurts. I don't like it. I don't love the nozzle. I feel like I'm being negative, but it's really awkward. I almost am tempted to open the top and just put it in that way. Because I feel like I don't know how, I can't distribute it the way I want to. And now when I go on this side, I gotta dry my hand because that's slippery, so. And you really need a grip in order to do this. You know, you can't have a wet hand. So, negative on the spray bottle, to be honest. And I'm spraying it, I'm not spraying it everywhere I shouldn't be. Okay, that's not working. It's driving me crazy. It's just a personal preference, I think. I don't think it's a good or bad thing. It's just if you like it. I mean, I just want to do this because I don't know how I can distribute it any other way. It's not convenient with that spray bottle at all. For my type of hair, at least. Maybe because I'm just not used to it, you know? I feel like it's in my hair. You can't, yeah, I gotta dry my hand first before I can spray again. I don't know. I don't know if I have enough. I can't tell. I can't gauge it because I'm not used to putting it in that way. So I guess it feels like that. I have enough then. So let me just go in now and do this. All right, we're gonna go with it. See how it comes out. Okay guys, so I know I'm not in my filming area right now because as you know, if you watch my channel, I'm getting my bathroom done right now. So the guy literally just showed up right when I was at the end of drying my hair. So the timing was good, perfect. I would rather have been totally done, but I'm literally hiding in my basement because these are guys, they don't know what YouTube channel, you know, so it's embarrassing. So I'm down here and it's it's gotta be like an hour later. So I do want to tell you, even though the spray bottle annoyed me, I think my hair looks good. It does, it looks good. And I think I can keep it for tonight. And I'm gonna tell you something, the weather, like the lighting is terrible, so please bear with me. I'll show you, I'm literally in front of a window. Just to show you, this is how ugly and disgusting it is out today. So I gotta find lighting where I can down here. I'm in the basement. So, I'm just like so scared of bugs. So I like a centipede in my kitchen yesterday. Like, okay, down here, maybe, and I don't even like that, but in my kitchen, like, no, you're not supposed to be on that floor, so I'm freaking out. Anyway, so yeah, my hair looks good. It's a crappy day, like I said, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last because I am going out, but that's a good test because we wanna go see if we can find handles for our bathroom cabinet to match. So, can you hear Mickey? He's so loud. Okay, so I'm gonna go, guys. We'll catch up. We're gonna follow through. We're gonna see how well this lasted throughout the day. And at night, I hope to God, I really don't wanna have to wash my hair, but I see nice curls, so I don't think I'm gonna have to, not wash it, but redo it and put a product in that I like because I'm going out to dinner, and tonight, like I'm excited to go out, let's just put it that way. Today, nowadays, just going out to dinner is very exciting, and this is 2 Saturdays in a row for me, so that's crazy. So this is what we're gonna do, and I wanna look good. I want my hair to look good. Like, when do I go out? So, okay, let me go, and I will see you later. Okay, we're going out to look at some handles for our bathroom cabinet. The sun went in the clouds, but now I can't see really. My hair looks better on camera than it does in person, I'm not gonna lie. It seems a little bit frizzy. I don't know if you could see. What is it with lighting today? You can't see. It's a bit frizzy for me, but that also could be because it was like the weather was bad, now the sun's coming out. But it's not how I would love it to be going out. He's gonna get so mad if I redo my hair, but you know what? Again, dinners are rare around lately, so I want to look good when I go out. So
can I say something?
Go ahead.
It's like all that hair product gonna clog the drains, everything. I think 17 showers a day.
No. Anyway, by the way, when I do shower, I do have that excess hair. I kept looking at myself, I'm sorry. I do have that excess hair, but I always rinse it under, and I take it off my hand and I fling it in the corner so that I know to dispose of it when I'm done with the shower so that my showers don't clog. Just saying. Okay, so maybe you could see now.
You should do an episode on clogged drains. That's a good one.
What am I, a plumber?
Hey. Drano or the other one?
No, they say don't use Drano. That's what the guy said. Because you're better off snaking it out. And we did that because Alina does it. Alina doesn't cleanse, or her hair gets clogged in there. Alright, so it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. I'm gonna try it. It's definitely probably good for like when I'm home lounging around. I gotta stop trying these products on Saturdays, but these bathroom guys screwed up my scheduling. So, it is what it is. But I'm gonna keep trying it and we'll see if it lasts. If I like it enough that it's in the first quarter review, which I have a feeling it's gonna be. But, we'll try it again. I can't do second day, because maybe I can really quickly in the morning. I can't, I'm sorry, I just don't have the time. The bathroom thing, my schedule's screwed up, guys, I'm sorry, but it doesn't look bad at all. We'll check in one last time, and that's it. So, I changed because that sweater was killing me. Alright, I'm gonna go. Let's go look for handles. It's gonna be hard because I had to get a color that's very like different, because that's me. I don't want to be like everybody else. Is that such a bad thing? Alright, be back. Okay, so that was crazy. I looked high and low, just so you know, everywhere. The color I'm picking, it's called Purist. It's from Kohler, and it's like such a difficult color to match. It's between gold silver. I just can't find. They only make 5-inch and 3-inch pulls in that name brand. So, trust me, I was looking like crazy. I think my coloring was off here, so I apologize. So, we went to a few places. They had a lot of knobs, right, I would say? Are you kidding me?
It's the nuts. I told him to have some nuts.
I don't know what's wrong with
It's good for you. Nuts. What are you, nuts?
Wait, something's wrong with my camera.
Oh man, what'd you do?
Oh, there we go. Maybe I did something wrong. Now you're brighter. Like seriously, you gotta make that noise when I'm trying to film.
Just a few nuts, I'm hungry. Don't eat too much.
God. Oh, now I'm too bright. Okay, I moved because the lighting, oh my God, I love you. The lighting was just like blue. It's still off a little, so now I gotta play with this camera. What the heck? All right, anyway, so he's still crunching his nuts in there, but I looked everywhere. I Googled this name brand Purist. I did everything. I Googled the color. It's called Vibrant Brushed Bronze. I looked for anything in Vibrant Brushed Bronze on the Kohler website. Nothing came up that I needed. We went to a few places. I mean, close matches, but it's not the same color. So I'm like, oh, whatever. And then, I don't know what it is. I just Googled it one more time. And it came up 4-inch Purist Vibrant Brushed Bronze pulls at Lowe's. Isn't that weird? That's crazy. Like, I've been Googling this like crazy. Lowe's, of all places, Lowe's. So I ordered them. They're extremely expensive, but I don't care. I have to get, how am I not getting them? They're like $25 for one. I needed 5, but you know what? You put it into the bathroom and you don't think of it. The cost of the bathroom, you know? I think my hair doesn't look bad, but in person it's kind of frizzy and it doesn't look so good right now. I would totally like my hair if I was going nowhere, but again, because I am going out, I gotta stop filming on days that I go out. I don't know. But it does look good. My curls do look good. I think the only reason it does look a little frizzy, like it does look a little frizzy. I have like fake tan on, by the way. I have self tan on. That's why I feel like I look patchy and I almost look dirty. But I'm gonna wash and redo my makeup. I always do that before I go out. I don't like, I don't know. Like my makeup could look good if I put a lot on, but I didn't want a lot of makeup on during the day, like, you know. So I'll redo my makeup. And I forgot to go to I wanted to go to a hair salon today and ask them if they can make my hair a certain color. I have a picture. It's too late now. And I don't know if they're gonna be open tomorrow or Monday, because Monday's a holiday. I'm off though. So maybe they will be, I don't know if they're open. All right, well, in any event, I'll catch up with you a little later. I apologize if you can't really see my hair because the cut, see this, like, that's what I'm talking about. This is how it looks to me, like all over here. All right, so I'll catch up with you later and we'll see the overall and the end result. But I like this product so far, and especially like it's like $7, so you can't go wrong. I'll definitely be using this. I used it on, it was so like humid this morning and rainy, and I think that's the problem. So, I'll see you in a bit. How's the bathroom coming along?
Coming along good.
Happy you're not doing it?
No, I wish I did it.
No way. That thing would fall apart if you did it. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, like seriously, can we be any more comfier? This is the fluffiest pillow with the fluffiest blanket. Oh, I don't understand why you're getting this. She had this when we first got her, that orange around her eye. And then, I don't know, like she never had it again. I think it's the groomers. I think I gotta find another groomer. And I'm trying to wash it off. It's not going away. It's very annoying. She never used to have this. And her diet's not, hasn't really changed. And here's Mickey. He took her spot. Look what I do. I put all these blankets here. Hi, Mick. He has been lovier. More like cuddly. Hi. Hi. Because he's staying inside more. I think he's literally scared of one of the cats that are out there. So she's a girl, and I think she has a crush on him. Yes, she does. And you always look to see if she's out there before you go out. And now you don't even go out. It's better though. You become more cuddly with Mama. Okay, guys. So I am done. My hair does not look terrible at all. It looks better on camera. Like I really got like some serious like curls going there, you know. but it was frizzy for me, but at the same time it was, like I said, it was just very humid in the house. We're getting work done, so the doors were open, and I really think that's why I didn't love the results, because I think this is a good product. So another one that we'll just have to wait and see for first quarter review. So that's it. Okay guys, I am gonna say goodnight. I'm sorry I don't have much to talk about, but my bathroom is getting along. We got like another week and it should be done, but that is gonna be a separate video, so I'm gonna wait till then to show it. So I hope you guys have a nice evening, and until next time, see you then. Good night.